Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to switch off or on the auto ledge grab option in Dying Light the Beast, so enjoy watching this short tutorial. As always, at first we have to open the settings. To do it you have to press the O button on your keyboard or just move here to the options. Here we have the auto ledge grab in this section over here in the game tab, so you can decide if you want to turn off or on this option. Auto ledge grab defines if the game will automatically grab ledges when the player jump at once, so decide for yourself, make sure that this function is good for you. This will helps you when you do a parkour in this game, so maybe you should switch it on. All depends of your game style. So that would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.